If you want to organize the apps screen or app drawer on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you can do is, for example, you can change the app position. So in order to do that, we can press and hold our finger on the app that we want to reposition, and then just drag and drop it anywhere you wish it to be. If you hold it on a certain position for like a second, then all different apps will just move out of the way so that you can drop it in the desired place. You can also create folders, of course. As you can see over here, we have some example folders. In order to do that, we can drag and drop an app on the top of the other, like this. Or you can press and hold the finger on the first app that you want to add to the folder, press select, and then keep selecting all apps that you wish to place into a single folder, and then press create folder over here. And of course, we can set up the name for the folder. You can customize it as well. And of course, we can change the position of the folder too. And there is also one more thing that you can do. You can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner. Then we can press sort, and we can choose alphabetical order. And now we have all folders and apps sorted alphabetically, and we can swipe up and down instead of having pages. And if you return to the custom order, then you will get pages back. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!